Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna, and I will be your teacher in mathematics. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have this drill. Are you ready? Okay, very good. So, everyone, 10 times 6, 10 times 7, 10 times 8, 10 times 9, 10 times 10. Okay, altogether, 10 times 6 equals 60, 10 times 7 equals 70, 10 times 8 equals 80, 10 times 9 equals 90, and 10 times 10 equals 100. Again, 10 times 6 equals, 10 times 7 equals, 10 times 8 equals, 10 times 9 equals, 10 times 10 equals. Okay, very good. So, today, I'm going to show you some jumbled letters, and then we are going to identify what are those words out of those jumbled or um, jumbled letters. Do you understand? Okay, so here are the jumbled letters. The first one is CMOPERA, and the second one is NMUBRE. Okay, so the first word, the first jumbled letters, what word can you get out of those letters? Okay, very good. The word compare. How about the second jumbled letters? Okay, that's very easy. Number. Now we have compare number. Okay, so if you hear the word compare number, what comes into your mind? There is the greater than, there is the less than, and there is the equals. Very good. Clap your hands for yourselves. Okay, so if you hear the word compare numbers, you automatically remember the greater than, the less than, and the equals. Now I'm going to show you some signs, and then you're going to tell me what are those signs. Okay, are you ready? So the first sign is, what is that? It is greater than. Very good. How about this second symbol? Very good. That is less than. How about this one? That is equals. Now we have the first one, greater than, next less than, and then we have the equals. Now today, everyone, we are going to talk about comparing and arranging decimals. Okay? Okay, so comparing and arranging decimals. Now, do you still remember something about decimal? Okay, a number with decimal point. So here, the decimal point separates the whole number to decimals. Do you understand? So can you give me an example of a decimal? 0.01. What else? 0.1, 0.15. So today, we are going to talk about comparing and arranging decimals. So are you ready to listen? Okay, so if you are ready to listen, sit up straight. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, so in comparing decimals, we have the symbol greater than. So what is the symbol of greater than? Like this. Okay? That is greater than. Okay, altogether, what is the symbol of greater than, everyone? Like this. Okay? The next one, the next symbol is that we have the less than. What is the symbol of less than? Okay, so everyone, like this. To the left. The point is in the left. So in greater than, the point is in the right, and in less than, the point is in the left. Do you understand me? The arrow point is in the left, and the arrow point is in the right. If the arrow point is in the right, meaning that is greater than, and if the arrow point is in the left, meaning that is less than. Do you understand me? Okay, everyone, let us draw greater than. Oh. Okay, again, greater than. How about less than? Like this. Okay, again, less than. Okay, and the third one is equals. So that is the symbol of equals. Do you understand me? Okay, so I'm going to show you some examples of decimals, of comparing numbers using greater than, less than, and equals. Okay, so in greater than, the example is 1.27 and 1.12. Now, the number 1.27 is greater than 1.12. That's why we are going to use greater than like this. Okay? Do you understand me? Okay, and then we have the less than 1.12 and 1.27. Remember that 1.12 is less than 1.27. That's why we use the symbol less than. So everyone, let us draw the symbol less than like this. Okay, so that is the symbol less than, and this is the equals. So the example of equals is 1.27 is equals to 1.27, meaning they are just the same. Do you understand me? If we are going to use the symbol equals, meaning the decimals have the same value. Do you understand? So in comparing decimals, we use greater than, less than, and equals. Okay, again, in comparing decimals, we use what symbols? Okay, very good. Greater than, less than, and equals. Now, let us proceed to arranging decimal. In arranging decimal, if you are going to arrange the decimals in ascending order, this means that the numbers must be least to greatest. When we say ascending, meaning it is increasing. That's why if we are going to arrange the decimals in ascending order, it must be from least to greatest. Again, if you are going to arrange decimals in ascending order, the decimals or the numbers must be from least to greatest. Do you understand? Ascending, least to greatest. Example, 54.6. Okay? 54.6, 54.61, 54.62, 54.63, and 54.65. Okay? It is from least to greatest. That is ascending order, meaning increasing. Again, what is ascending order? It is increasing. Ascending order, least to greatest. Okay? When it is least, when the order is least to greatest, we call it as ascending order. Okay? So if it is ascending order, meaning it is from least to greatest. Okay? Meaning increasing. Okay? And then if you are going to arrange decimals in descending order, this means that the numbers must be from greatest to least. When we say descending, it is decreasing. Okay? So again, descending order, greatest to least. If it is greatest to least, then it is descending order. So if it is descending order, the arrangement is from greatest to least. Do you understand? Okay, so here is the example. 54.65, 54.63, 54.62, 54.61, and 54.6. Okay? Greatest to least. That is descending order, meaning the order is decreasing. Okay? We only have two arrangement, ascending and descending. If it is ascending, meaning it is increasing, meaning the order is from least to greatest. If it is descending, it is decreasing, meaning the order is from greatest to least. Okay, so remember that if we are going to compare numbers, we use symbols such as greater than, less than, and equals. If we are going to arrange decimals, it's either ascending or descending. If it is ascending, meaning it is increasing, least to greatest. If it is descending, meaning decreasing, that is greatest to least. Do you understand me? Okay, very good. So, what is the symbol of greater than? Everyone, let us draw the symbol of greater than like this. Okay, again, everyone, greater than like this. Okay, so everyone, what is the symbol of less than? Everyone, let us draw less than like this. Again, less than like this. And then what is the symbol of equals? Everyone, let us draw the symbol of equals like this. Straight line, horizontal line, two horizontal line, two parallel line. Okay, that is equals. So what is ascending? When we say ascending, it is increasing. What is descending? When we say descending, it is decreasing. Okay, so what did you learn today? Today we have learned about comparing and arranging numbers. So in comparing numbers, we use the symbols greater than, less than, and equals. In arranging numbers, there are two orders, ascending order and descending order. When we say ascending order, that is least to greatest because it is increasing. When we say descending order, it is from greatest to least because it is decreasing. Okay, so if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Here is your practice exercise. You're going to answer focus page 150. That is your practice exercise. And here is your evaluation. You're going to answer make meaning letter A, page 151 to 152. Now, don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I'm going to check it. Do you understand me? Okay, so here is your assignment. You're going to answer make meaning letter B, page 152. Now, don't forget to do your assignment because I'm going to check it. Okay, so thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.